kwi-squad wagcina ngoJune 2024 likudlala one of the lowest ranked African teams iZimbabwe. So lento ikutshelana ukuthi against ama-club amakhulu they nowhere to be found. Asinawo ama-striker yabo. Okay, asiqhubeke. How many goals abakorile uMakgopa? Angifuni ukukhuluma Foster, angifuni nje. uMakgopa noReiners abaskorile against i-top 5 la eSouth Africa. I-top 5 ngibala Orlando Pirates for Reiners. Okay, i-top 5 Orlando Pirates, iMamelodi Sundowns, iKaizer Chiefs, bese kuba amaZulu, bese kuba iSekhukhune. uReiners against i-top 5 unama-goals awu-3. Wakora 2 against iSekhukhune, number 4. Then wakora 1 against iLokhunja amaZulu. AmaZulu number 4, iSekhukhune number 5. uMakgopa against i-top 5 unegoli elilodwa likora against iKaizer Chiefs kwi-league. So labantu if abaveli ema-gamesini amakhulu kodwa emancane bazovela kanjani ama-games amakhulu emakhulu kwi-World Cup? Sanibona bafethu, igama lami nguSanele aka uDonso Nkabi. So bafethu izolo bekudlala iCanada versus iBafana eSouth Africa last 32. Unfortunately bafethu sidliwile, sadliwa umdlalo usuphela. Yabo set 8 5 minutes yakora iCanada which was a painful exit because badlalela abafana badlalela kamnandi kakhulu. So bafethu, before we get into the video, please make sure you follow us on YouTube at Starting11xi Starting11xi. So bafethu, nangenjalo niyazi ukuthi angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba noSibuda libuda. Sibuda hamba kanjani?
Ku right kunjani?
Asingene kuyona mfethu.
Ngibingelele ma followers ma subscribers zethu. Sibonga umdala ukuba usasigcinile. Saphefumula. Congratulations to iBafana oqala ukuthi udlalile umdlalo we-last 32. Unfortunately ke yaphuma kudlaliwe. Yabona kwi-scheme sethu ebezidlala ngaso bekhamba kahle emumva, khamba kahle esiswini. Nethi ke umkwena bengekho kule form yakhe esimazi ekuyiyona. But for 45 minutes azange siconcede, and ayikho mistake esicostile ukuthi kuba yigoal siyaconsider. Well done kuloko kudlala lokho kube kahle. Into esishayile njengase South Africa hayi kwi-front akusihambeli kahle. iCanada beyisiplanele futhi lo muntu odlala i-left back utsheliwe ukuthi uma ke wavala lapha kuThapelo Maseko uzobuqedile cause lo muntu une creativity, uyahlupha yabo, uyangena, uyacrossa, uyashaya mayithole ithuba. So uvaliwe uma uThapelo Maseko first half, even second half waze waphuma engazange ayithole leli thuba cause bekuplaniwe. Okunye futhi okwenziwe iCanada, uma ngabe yona iphethe ibhola iya-attack, iyaphuma yonke i-attack, baliluza ibhola laphathwa yiSouth Africa, bayahlehla bakhanda i-low block, okwenza ukuthi thina sibe ne-ball position eningi but sidlala kwi-half yethu ikakhulu ngoba indlela yaphambili ayikho. This is where sidinga lapho khona i-creativity. Okay, uWilliams uyayishaya le method leyo ukuthi uma ngabe ibhola lize kuyena athi nje ukupause ukuthi alishaye noma alipass, enzele ukuthi phela labantu abeze bazopressa azokwazi ukuthi akhiphe ibhola. Yabo, ba receive ibhola labantu bakwazi ukuthi badlale kuyiwa phambili iBafana. Iyenzile leyo nto successfully iCanada ukuthi idlale low block mangabe ibhola lingekho ngakubona. bese siza kuma strikers ethu. Ma strikers ethu ngathi iperformance yakhona ihamba kahle mhlambe mabedlala local or emathimini, cause kuma league games out of 24 i-strikers esidlalile uMakgopa 6 goals 4 assists out of 24 i-striker, okusho ukuthi la amanye amagoli abashaya noma ngawubani eteamini. So kwi-striking force asinayo lethal weapon, umuntu oyi-goal poacher, yabo. Rainers lapha kwi-Sundowns, okay, in all competitions 16 to 17 goals. Uyacabanga ukuthi i-Sundowns okay njengoba idlala lapha idlalile MTN 8 oKaling uNedbank CAF iLeague. Manga kulowo ma games esewonke
amaningi
as i-striker fuze ngaba ke sithi mhlawumbe ugijima ko 20 something goals nama assist. Kumane kukhulunywa ukuthi kunamanye ama games ukuthi ucoach ugcine engasazi ukufaka i-striker first half or second half, yabo, ukuthi uzofaka siphi because score ngendlela efana ne Foster in all competitions kwi-league yakhe 5 goals ngomuno, 5 goals. Lapho khona amalokhujana ama games cishe plus or minus 40 maybe appearances, if yeah, plus or minus yabo. Kune competition high la ekhona akekho that effective kwi scoring yakhe. So uma ngabe sesquadini asikwazi ukulindela olukhulu kuyena. So ama strikers ethu way3 cha akuzi kahle, asikho nesisodwa sake sashaya amagoli angaphezulu kwa2. Kwagcina Benny McCarthy, Sean Bartlett, yeah,
ngaphezulu kwethu game
ebafana kwi World Cup.
Oh okay.
Kwi World Cup yeah, uBartlett wakoscora 2 goals egamini eyi1. Yabo, igame eyi1. So kunzima kahle eSouth Africa. Kodwa phela lawo ma strikers engiwasho even uSiyabonga noMvethe babekora nabo. Babe all best emathimini abo. Yabo. So this time around kuba qwaqwa kulama strikers ezinawo ukuthi babe effective njengabo. We need ukuthi sibe khona o goalkeeper coaches like abo Benny McCarthy. Bakwazi ukuthi baqashwe emathibini masebenze babuyiswe
usiyabonga striker coach,
yabo, yeah, o coach abasicoach ama strikers ba train ama strikers even ba develop. Angiboni ukuthi development la eSouth Africa ama strikers ikhona, so ngoba ngaba sikho kulenkinga esikhona kuba ikhona.
So what is the solution?
As developing ama strikers, if sibe nama striker coach, if singakwenzi lokho singaqasha enye formula yokuthi i-striker esenzima kungasisa la mhlambe sisiphiwe citizenship mase sihlale ama seasons mhlambe azaba u4-5, sikwazi ukuthi sibe sala sazi ukuthi sinomuntu okwazi ukuthi uma ngabe nje wathola ibhola it's either i-assist or i-goal, mhlamba out of 3 games mhlamba ngaphuma no4 goals. Yabo, cause la i-World Cup sidlala ama games ayi4 only 2 goals, nakhona i-winning goal ibe semidlalweni owodwa, lele linye igoal sas-draws equalize. Sisenkingeni, siyadinga ukudevelop ama strikers, siyadinga ama coach abazocoacha ama strikers abaphakanyiswe oBenny McCarthy. Okwesibili i-local talent ayingacindezelwa from abadlali ikakhulukazi ama wing ama dribbling wizard. Labo bantu abadevelopeke baphiwe iskill, bakhuthazwe, batshelwe ukuthi no sidinga i-creativity ezoya forward like oThapelo, so kwazi ukuthi sithole amagoli. Okwesibili uyedwa ucoach wase South Africa kulabo coach abahlezi bethengwa ikakhulukazi go Kaizer Chiefs no bani owakwafika kwi CAF final. Laba bangaphandle coach angikhumbuli Kaizer Chiefs wakwafika kwi final, but lo la coach umuntu omnyama waxoshwa after mhlamba ama games amba efike kwi CAF. Umxosha kanjani umuntu kanjalo? Xosha ngoba ngabe umnika i-checkbook asayina abadlali abayiquality so that sizokwazi ukuthi i-team ikhiqiza abadlali abayiquality abazocontribute esquadini mhlambe singene ko top 16 nathi. Yabo, so if ubelievela kulabantu bangale ngaphandle kakhulu uma uzomqhathanisa no coach bala yabona ucoach bala uyedwa ucoach wangaphandle oneCAF. Yabo, laba abanye ucoach bala sebake bafika kwi Champions League, omunye unama CAF Champions League more than one ucoach wala eMzansi. So asilithandeni ikhono la Pitso Mosemane unama final eCAF. Atazwana une final yeCAF. uRulani kwaphuma ku semi final. Yabo, istage esikhulu leso. So ukimporta too much kwi-coach uya ku-importa i-striker akuwasiza ama-team akwi-PSL lokho. Iloko nje enganiphathela kona iningizimu ama-teams ala eSouth Africa. Import ama-strikers than importing ucoach. Yabo, because ucoach wala angayicabanga ezinye izinto ngokwazi ibhola la. Lo owale wazi ukuthi okay uma ngidlala ibhola shaya itikatika nani according to i-experience yakhe la aqhamuka khona ukuthi ama develop players wa welcome kanjani ibhola adlala kanjani akanayo i-ID. Ngaye ngathola ivideo mina uZwane ekhuluma nomdlali lo we Kaizer Chiefs oyi right winger emtshela ukuthi no yabona lokhu nalokhu ukugibela ibhola no ku right ungakwenzi lokho ntwana yami, but lezi zingi zenze la egroundini ingako waba nawo amagoli kwi-season. So if lo muntu umhlukanisa nalo coach wakhe alright again uzosala abe yini umlandeli coach wangaphandle ongamazi ukuthi udlala lephi ibhola, sumcindezelile umbulele lo muntu.
Siyakuzwa Sibuda. Mina nje bafethu into engingayisho ukuthi congratulations bafethu to Bafana bafethu niphume njengama champions. Yabo bafethu niliqibile nje ihlazo. Yabo, niliqibile ihlazo nasenza abantu. Yabo, nisenza abantu bafethu especially la eAfrica besithathwa njengento nje. Abafana nidlalile bafethu. Mina bafethu anginayo into negative engayisho kuHugo Bruce. Nix umjito siniki ibronze saba number 3 kwi-CAF wasithatha wasisa kwi-last 32. That's history. And imothatha ukubheka without ama-strikers because ngeke ngize ngisho ukuthi sinama strikers la eSouth Africa mfethu. Labantu laba boba u3 bangama bench warmers. Reyners kwi-Sundowns is a bench warmer. Makgopa is a bench warmer. Foster ngiyazi indaba yakhe kakhulu nje ulazy nje uFoster angifuna ukuyikhuluma. Yabo masingasathu ukubheka nje for the last 6 season since 2021 season. Masinga-check ama goal scorers ukuthi ama top goal scorers la kwi Premier League kwi-Betway 2020 to 2021 kokubani uKrop. Ama goals awu 16 kwakusekhona ini Super Sport United. Then 2021 to 22 kwaba iMamelodi Sundowns Peter Shalulile edlala iMamelodi Sundowns. Yabo, ngama goals amangaka u23. Then 2022 to 2023 kwaba Peter Shalulile beno Patrick Mayo babambene 12 goals each. 2023 to 2024 kwaba uMabasa we-Orlando Pirates washaya 16 goals. Then 2024 to 2025 kwaba uLucas Ribeiro Costa ama goals amangakhe awu-16. Then this season 2025 to 2026 uJunior Dion uJunior Dion odlalelani iGolden Arrows ngamagoals amangaka u14. So yabona eSouth Africa, if you reach 16 goals so top goal scorer. Yabo, out of this season since 2020 to 2021, how many South Africans abe ama top goal scorer? Awu-3 ngingambali uma wayebambene no Peter Shalulile ngo-2022 to 23 ngo-12 goals. Ubani ama top goal scorers? uMabasa.
Oh, so 2020 ukuya 2026.
Yes, 2020, 2021 to 2025 to 2026. uMabasa bese kuba uKropla Super Sports. Only 2 abantu ama South Africans abama top goal scorer, and those people are not kulokhunja kwi-squad.
Yeah.
So these people abakwi squad uMakgopa noReynolds abakaze beba ama top goal scorers kwi-league. Yabo, and masathu ukubheka ulokhunja uReynolds this season ukora ama goals awu-12 yabo kwi-league yabo. So igoli lokugcina walikora kudlala nge-3 kudlala nePolokwane City yabo. Lowest ranked African teams iZimbabwe. So lento ikutshelana ukuthi against ama club amakhulu they nowhere to be found. Asinawo ama striker yabo. Okay, asiqhubeke. How many goals abakorile uMakgopa? Angifuni ukukhuluma Foster, angifuni. uMakgopa noReynolds abascoreile against i-top 5 la eSouth Africa. I-top 5 ngibala Orlando Pirates for Reynolds. Okay, i-top 5 Orlando Pirates, iMamelodi Sundowns, iKaizer Chiefs, bese kuba amaZulu, bese kuba iSekhukhune. uReynolds against i-top 5 unama goals awu-3. Wakora 2 against iSekhukhune number 4. Then wakora 1 against ilokhunja amaZulu. AmaZulu number 4, iSekhukhune isu number 5. uMakgopa against i-top 5 unegoli elilodwa likora against iKaizer Chiefs kwi-league. So labantu if abaveli ema-gamesini amakhulu kodwa emancane bazovela kanjani ama-games amakhulu emakhulu kwi-World Cup? Team makudlala the top 5 they are nowhere to be found, and most of the time balokhunja bangama bench warmers yabo. Then you tell me utshela uHugo Broos ukuthi why a defender kanjani mfethu, because eSouth Africa asinawo ama striker. This is the best that we have. Yona best wethu lo yabo. Mayithiwa siyahlanganisa ke yabo. Uwona best. uFoster unama goals awu-3 kwi-English Premier League this season. English Premier League.
Yeah, kwi-league kuphela.
Kwi-league kuphela.
Nama goals awu-3.
Yes, angisho kulama FA Cup oCarabao obani uChampions League anganoma idlala
Ayish.
yabo. So lamajita uReynolds kwi-World Cup ngithi dlala amalokhunja awu-4 ama-games awu-4. iMexico, iCZH, iSouth Korea, then bese kuba iCanada.
Yeah.
Out of these 4 games, 1 shot, 0 on target for Reynolds, Ikram Reynolds. Makgopa 4 shots, 3 on target, 0 versus Canada.
Yeah.
Foster wadlala against Mexico 56 minutes, 1 shot, 0 on target. Ama strikers la uze umuntu ethi hayi at least bemuvisa ama defender. Yini umsebenzi we-striker ngoba i-strike is to strike. Indaba yokumuvisa ama defender ayikho leyo nto leyo.
Manje mayemove ama defender ama wing akwazi ukuthi athola ama shot ukungena ama goal, because mawumove ama defender kufanele kube khona okorayo.
Hayi mfethu ayikho. Bese ublame ucoach ukuthi uya defend. Sinama defensive strikers. Uzonze njani uHugo Broos? Uthi attack ngobani?
Ama wing kuphela.
ayikho nento ekuthiwa hawe magazilona lutho. Onke ama players from keeper, ukeeper ube nama touches more than any goalkeeper in the World Cup. 77 passes goalkeeper. Uhlule umuntu owango 1966 obe na 55 touches. uRonwen Williams uyena iball player. Uthinta ibhola ukudlula ama strikers. Abadlali abaningi bebafana. Then you tell me ukuthi so striker ngobani? Do one thing, strike. Lutho. But ke what is the solution? France bonke laba abazobe kuyi last 16 bathatha ama foreign players bebona ukuthi ayona uNtswempu wena and aba recognize the country yakhe bekuthatha beki neutralize udlalela ibafana because you can't tell me okwazi ukudevelop so hlula unokutshontsha ama players ke ukutshontsha uku-identify talent because nakuzungitshela ukuthi uzothi umuntu sithi sithi ngetalent lala uthi ngetalent lala maqhamuka coach uGo Bruce Ntswempu unaye AFCON lokhunja coach laba bala abakazi besise kula 32 abakazi bequalify for a World Cup ungabiza ngisho ubani yabo abanayi bronze yelokhunja iAFCON wese udlala ngeteam engena striker. How good is he? What good to Hugo Broos bafethu? Mina nje ugood Hugo Broos for me. Yabo. Uzothi umuntu sithi into iskill bongesinayo outsource. Outsource nje. Ungitshela ukuthi umbokazi ngoba wasuka la eKZN ehluhluwe wayodlalela iPirates. Ayengekho yena ama players angadlala njengolokhu nje Soweto because i-team yaseSoweto. Ayengekho yena egoli. Yabo, ayengekho yena league lama province ale. Ayengekho. They had to outsource him like KZN bemthatha bebona ukuthi no best. Why masingekho striker la South Africa kukhona kodwa sidlalayo sisazi ukuthi I know less asisi-neutralizeni umthetho uyasivumela. Everyone is doing it. France yawina ilokhunji World Cup. Ayibhalwanga ukuthi kwakora umbhampe ongabe udlalela ilokhunji Ivory Coast noma yini Cameroon. Ayibhala leyo nto leyo. Are world champions. So we must do one thing. It's either a developer or a neutralizer. Otherwise sizosala all over the world they are doing it. Yeah, so khona bufuna ukusho uziyafana.
Oh, yeah, kona in terms of striking, in terms of local talents.
Yeah.
Ngiyafisa ukuthi kwenzeke ngalendlela kwakwenzeka ngayo. Yeah. Ukuthi kungabi bikho abadlali abazosaba ukukora makwi World Cup. Like South Africa versus Brazil 1996. Dr. Khumalo, Masinga, banetha noma babashaya nethini noma sadliwe. Yabo. So as developing ama players siqashe ama coach abazocoach ama strikers. Yeah, local is lekere I believe kwi talent lala eMzansi.
Yeah, but bafethu all in all abadlaleli abafethu andlalele majida abafethu we are proud, you made us proud bafethu. Yilokho nje okuncane nje kumele masilungise nje i-striking department kuphelile. Otherwise sinamasotsha abafethu sinamasosha bafethu until next time siyabonga bafethu, please don't forget to follow us. Danke siyabonga.